These heat pumps are made by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited for the Everest Group. The units use R410, a refrigerant which is not as earth-friendly as brands that use R32, and their guarantee is only average as it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The units have all aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion and variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation. They use louvered metal panels to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage, which is superior to brands that use wire grills. The APH14H models are for slab mounting and have a 14 SEER cooling efficiency and an 8 HSPF heating efficiency, while the APH14M units can be field converted from horizontal to downflow for roof installation. The APH16H models are basic heat pumps for slab mounting, while the APH16M models are premium units with a 2-stage compressor, a 16 SEER cooling efficiency, and an 8.2 HSPF heating efficiency. The APH16M model also includes a lifetime guarantee on the compressor, which is the heart of any heat pump. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.